Yes, this is another house. This is another of our greenhouses. And this is regatin. Regatin is a varietal name for yellow bell peppers. Yellow bell peppers. In fact, here in the farm, we prioritize this variety very well because the rate at which it produces is very overwhelming. Like, you will just be happy whenever you enter into a greenhouse. So we have this particular variety, but just that it is a yellow bell pepper variety. So these plants are about they are going to 7 weeks after transplant, and just imagine that we are beginning to see fruits that are weighing up to 100 grams, up to 100 grams. So these plants, just like you see, all the agronomic practices are being followed religiously. Agronomic practices like pruning. We prune. The reason we prune is because we have a time lapse for our harvest. So pruning is very necessary so that we are able to maximize every flower and every fruit that is being formed. Then other thing is irrigation. Irrigation is necessary to both human and also to plants. So these plants are irrigated every day. We give 3 rounds, first, second, and third rounds. Each of them have their meals, though it is also being influenced by the weather conditions and also the temperature. Yeah, if you look at our shade net, these shade nets also help us to reduce the temperature to an extent. Over here in Western Nigeria, the temperature here is very hot. So imagine we don't have a shade net. It will be very difficult to control this high temperature. And we also know disease and pests, they are also not sleeping, especially now that we have this produce, the flowers open. So, and the high temperature also helps to increase the multiplication of these insects. So we have our sticky traps here that we use to monitor. Although these sticky traps, they are small, while compared to the number of plants in these houses, which is above 3,000. So this sticky cast informs our spraying decisions and also let us know the insects where we have high insect pressure. Yes, we have our sensor. I think I've passed it, that we also use to get precision measurement of our humidity and temperature. Then what am I missing out? Yes, I spoke about irrigation. Irrigation also covers fertigation to application of nutrients and soluble fertilizers, and also trellising. So I can effectively shake this plant and it will not fall off, even with the high number of fruits.